Good morning class 6. This is your English class. We have already started chapter 3.1 of unit 3, that is about the topic gardens and gardening. So students, open page number 68 in your English book and let's start reading. There is a topic, the name of the topic, a garden of your own. Okay, a garden of your own. So let's start. Before planning a garden of your own, you must make sure of certain things. Okay, when you have made a plan to make a garden of your own, then you have to make sure of certain things. The most important thing to know is the kind of plants that will grow well in that climate, soil and space. Okay, the most important thing that you have to make sure that the kind of plant that you will grow in your garden, if it suits the climate, the soil or the land. Okay, when you have made a plan to make a garden, you have to make sure of certain things. The most important thing that you have to make sure that the plants that you want to grow in your garden, if these plants suits the same climate, the same soil or the same space where you want to grow these plants. You must also take into account the supply of water you have for watering the plants. Okay, see what take into account means? Consider. Okay, take into account means consider. So you must have to confirm about the fact that where you want to make a garden, then from where you want to supply water for watering these plants. You have to make confirm about that fact, from where you bring water to watering the plants. Look at what other people in your neighborhood are growing. You have to look at, you have to consult with the other people in your neighborhood which plants they are growing right now. Ask for their advice. You have to consult with your neighbor about which plants they are growing in their garden. Which plants they are growing in their gardens, you have to ask them for their advice. Then decide what you would like to grow yourself. After hearing their advice, you have to confirm which plant you want to grow in your garden. Flowers, vegetables. Flowers plants, vegetable plants. Plants that will look pretty or plants that can be put to some use. Okay? After hearing the advice of your neighbors, you have to confirm which plants you want to grow in your garden. Is it flowers or is it vegetables? If you grow flower plants in your garden, it will be look very pretty, or if you will grow vegetables plant in your garden, it will come in daily use. Having decided all this, you will have to take some simple steps to grow a successful garden. Okay? Having decided all these facts, you will have to take some simple steps to grow a successful garden. Everything that grows needs light, air, water and food. Everything means every plants that you want to grow in your garden, all plants needs light, air, water and food. Plants too need all these things. Plants must need all these things. All these things are light, air, water and food. And to grow a successful garden, the following steps are recommended. If you want to make a successful garden, then these are the recommendation for you. Choose a site that has good soil and light. You have to select a site, a land that has good soil and light. Dig the soil to make it loose so that air can get into it. Before grow the plants, you have to dig the soil to make it loose. And because of digging the soil, air and light come into the soil. Add suitable plant food, manure or fertilizer to the soil. Okay, manure and fertilizer means animal dung or other make the soil fertile. Add suitable plant food to the soil. You have to give suitable plant food to the soil. Rake the soil to make it fine and to get rid of stones and weeds. Okay, what rake means? Rake means level with a rake, a long handled tool. Rake means level with a rake or a long handled tool. Weeds means wild plants. Wild plants growing where they are not needed. Okay, so see here, rake the soil to make it fine. You have to rake the soil to make the soil fine and to get rid of stones and weeds. You have to clean the wild weeds and stones from this soil to make it better. Follow the instruction for planting very carefully. You have to follow all the instruction properly for planting very carefully. Feed, water and weed regularly. You have to give food, water and you have to clean the weeds from this soil, from this garden regularly. Take suitable measures to check plant diseases and to get rid of harmful insects. Okay, take suitable measures to check plant diseases and to get rid of harmful insects.